Welcome guys. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image using Adobe Photoshop. So over here in my toolbar I have the Magic Wand tool, and in it there are three tools: the Magic Wand tool itself, the Object Selection tool, and the Quick Selection tool. For this particular image, the Magic Wand tool won't turn out to be that great, but for other images it will be just fine. And let me demonstrate. So I'm going to use the Magic Wand and I'm going to select the background, and then I'm going to delete it. As you can see, it also selected part of the earth, but that's not what I wanted. So Control Z, and I'm going to use the Object Selection tool this time to select the image I want. I'm going to unselect what I selected first, and Control X, and I'm going to select the entire background, delete, and Control V again. That way I selected only the earth and deleted everything else. And I'm going to crop it. And there you go, there's your image. Now earlier I mentioned that there's also the Quick Selection tool. This is useful if you want to select more of the image. So I'm going to undo all of that, and I'm going to select the earth again using the Object Selection tool. I'm going to zoom in, and as you can see, some parts of the earth are not completely selected, and that's where the Quick Selection tool comes in handy. So I'm going to select the Quick Selection tool, and I'm going to add the parts that were unselected. I'm going to unzoom, and I'm going to follow the same steps as last time. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos.